Hello everybody, this is your boy, the Gangster Guy 22, and we just got the package from Manscaped. Now, this is the lawnmower 4.0, but it is the TCS edition. Because the Testicular Cancer Society teamed up with them, we finally got it. Here it is. Let's go. We have in the wrapping the body buffer. All this I got for about $96. I got $22 off. I found a deal online. And this is the holy grail. Look at this. It's so beautiful, it's not even funny. Oh, balls like diamond on top. Holy shit, I'm gonna keep this box. This thing is magnificent. It's purple, like Thanos. This thing is beautiful. Dang. Sit that right there. Now, this is the 4.0, which offers everything. Unlike the 3.0, the 2.0, and the 1.0. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. Shave balls to save balls. Let's go. This is like a work of art. I don't even want to touch it with my dirty hands. Let's talk about balls. Oh boy. So here it is. It's small. It's also waterproof. And it even says in the writing right there, Manscaped plus the TCS. This thing is nice, compact, and it is safe to use on every inch of a man's body. I will know because I'm a man, of course. You have the purple. Look at that. Your own light, and it's purple. It lights up purple. This thing is a beauty to behold in on itself. Have some little pamphlets. Let's get mowing. Like I'm a damn landscaping guy. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Now these are limited, so go to Manscaped and buy one right now. Trim guard. Holy shit. Look at this stuff. We got guards in here. Let's see, there's one. Here's another guard. We have the charging port. Now this, I'm about to cry out now. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Has the purple and the black, which is my favorite color. Don't ask why. Here's the charging cable. And that is it. Here's the two guards. And here's the box. It's very, I guess you can, if you don't use it, you can put it in the box and it'll be a-okay. Wow. We save balls. Look at that. Look at that, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want one to. Look at that. Purple. Nice. Moving on to the body buffer. The gold, I really like. The gold is beautiful. Wow. This thing looks good. Now this is antibacterial, so you can use it in the shower and it won't grow like gangrene on it. Wow. I love the black color on it. Put it through your hand and you scrub. This is gonna help me. Scrub yes, scum no. A new way to power shower. Better for your bits. Plays well with lathers. The body buffer by Manscaped. Woo. I'm gonna start using this stuff. Thank you everyone for watching. These two things are beautiful, but there is more of this stuff on Manscaped. Now, I used a code online I found for about $22 off. and it was about $96, but that was a really good deal. So again, thank you for watching, and remember, go get this limited edition Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0 TCS version. See you on the next video.